Oh dear God. Mama, I do not have a spirit husband.
Philo, do you know what it took me to get this information? Do you know how much I spent?
Mama, listen and listen good. My wife and I are very good Christians. Besides, I can't remember asking you to go to see a native doctor on our behalf.
Oh, Barnabas, how will I make you to understand that what I am saying does not concern Christianity? Even the Bible says, give to Caesar what belongs to Caesar and give to God what belongs to God.
I have never seen a Christian visit the river or whatever deity for whatever sacrifice. We are Christians, Mama.
Anyways, I am not here to exchange with you. All I want from my son-in-law is money, so that I can buy all the necessary things that are involved.
Mama, how much is the money?
It's 250,000.
250,000. Okay. Are you meaning to say that if we give you the money, we don't have to come with you?
Yes. If you give me the money, I will do everything for you people's behalf.
We don't have to come with you. Alright then. I'll give you the money before you go. Really? Yeah. We don't have to go with you.
Okay. Good afternoon.
What is it?
2 men at the gate to see you. They say their name are Boniface and Okeke. Okay, sir.
Papa, my son. How are you?
How are you?
How are you?
How are you?
I'm trying to pull myself together. So, it's been tough.
Take heart, my son. We all know it's very painful. But what can we do? What has happened has happened.
Where is your wife?
I took her to rehab. Her condition is really bad. It's so bad that she can't remember anything or anyone around her.
Can we go and see her?
The hospital is quite a distance and we can go tomorrow.
Well, my son,
It is not easy. It is not.
we don't have to look backwards. Let us look forward. It is not easy having passed through various experiences, sacrifices, tribulation, a lot of things. For 11 good years, we know. But we will not question God. We believe God Almighty will give us the one that will stay with us.
Yes.
Just
My Lord, thank you for your kind words. Thank you. Let me get something for you.
tell your brother to release my mother from the police cell. Because it will not be funny if I go there myself.
Selfish animal. Can you just hear yourself? You don't even care about my nephew that lost his life, or even your sister that lost her senses. Really?
That is not enough reason for him to go to that extent. What if they contact disease from the police or something bad happened to them? God forbid. Nothing will happen to my mother.
Yes, God forbid, as you said. Wow, after 11 years, his son's life is not enough for him to have gone to that extent. Really?
Yes! It's not enough reason for him to go to that extent. By arresting his mother-in-law, how does that sound in his ear?
And how does it sound in your ear that your mother came for babysitting and killed the child carelessly?
Killed the child along with your mother.
Your mother did. And if you don't know the story, call your sister Rita to tell you the story. Animal. My brother arrested both of them because my mother was involved.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Whatever.
I will go and wait for my father to return. And if he returns without my mother, I will go there myself. And you will not like the outcome of it.
Your skirt is not even your size. You are here threatening me. Come on, this out, animal. Let me see you in this compound again. I should have hit one of these
comes, it looks like it's the end of the world. When confusion comes.
My son, we apologize on behalf of your mother and your mother-in-law.
Yes.
Please find a place in your heart to believe them. Please.
Yes. Papa, that is true. That is true, my son. To err is human. To forgive is divine. Asna, obuna mehi ade na mbara ala hade. Anahamu my joke. Nobody looks for trouble intentionally. But the condition in which we met them today, when we visited the station, it was too bad. It was not encouraging at all. One of the high joker. Besides, if peradventure anything happens to them while in the station or in the cell, he will still be the one to get it right. Please, they are still your mothers. Please.
My in-law, coming here to apologize on their behalf clearly shows that you don't understand the pain in my heart.
No, we do. And they do as well.
No, you don't. Because if you do, you won't sit here to say senseless things to me.
My son, what makes you think that we don't understand your pain or that they don't understand your pain? And again, what makes you think we are not making sense? We are pleading for you to forgive. That is the sense there. Oh?
You're not making sense. My in-law, you're not making sense. Okay, tell me. What about my dead son? What about my wife? I expect you to say, okay, bring my son back. My wife is running mad. My wife is stark raving mad. What are we going to do about that? No, tell me. Those women deliberately threw my son from there. My son shattered to pieces. And all you do is sit down here and talk about forgiveness? It clearly shows you don't know my pain. Listen and listen good, every one of you. I've made my point. And my point is, I won't ask the police to release them until my wife regains her sanity. And that is final. If any one of you puts any more pressure on me, I'll get all of you arrested. Try me.
It should be a thing of joy and not some sort of confusion. confusion. It should be a thing of joy and not something to fight over. Don't give the devil opportunity to come and do you over time. I will give me cancer. Hey, give me cancer. Yeah. When temptation comes, it looks like it's the end of the world. When confusion comes, it looks like it's the end of life. It should be a thing of joy, something that will make everybody to be happy. But why all these things now? And why all this confusion? Give me cancer. Oh, give me cancer, oh, give me cancer. Oh, give me cancer, it should be a thing of joy and not some sort of confusion. It should be a thing of joy and not something to fight over. Don't give the devil opportunity to come and do you over time. I will give me cancer. Hey, give me cancer. Yeah.
Bana, you are a man. You are entitled to your own opinion and decision. But please, for the sake of your wife, temper justice with mercy. Please.
I hear you, Kelly. But my wife should also be held responsible for what happened. I warned her. I told her I wasn't in support of both mothers coming together to visit. It didn't make sense. I told her to tell her mother to stay back, but she refused. My mother equally refused to stay back. And now my son is dead. They have killed him. Kelly, look at things this way. Can my father and my father-in-law come visiting and suddenly they begin to fight and kill my son? Men are so different from women in every areas of their lives. Sometimes I wonder why women are so irrational with the way they think.
Bana, you're right. Men are different from women. For example, 3 women cannot stay in a room for 1 year without fighting or quarreling. But 10 men can stay in a room for 10 years without fighting and quarreling. It's just so. God made it so. It's not our fault.
They have killed my son. We had to go through a lot to have that boy. And now he's no more.
No. No. I don't want to eat it.
Yeah, but we'll have to eat it. I thought it was your best.
Yes, my best when it's cooked, not when it's raw like this.
At this point, if eating this is going to give us a child, I think we should just do it.
Sorry.
So, I'd like to tell you a few things that the man of God said when I saw him. So, the man of God gave me these verses of the Bible and he said, take it. He said we should read them and pray fervently after reading them. He also said that because of how intense our prayer sessions will be, that we should also be aware that there might be temptations. Nonetheless, God will always win in the end.
For how long are we going to keep doing this? No, tell me, for how long are we going to keep praying? We have prayed all our lives.
Baby, now is not the time to despair. Is it not said that God's time is the best? God knows the right time to give us what we want from Him.
I'm tired of praying. Well, I totally understand you perfectly. Well, I do.
Remember, tomorrow, no food. No one starts.
How long was the fast?
1 month.
What? 1 month?
Yeah, maybe we can do this.
No, you can do it. Not me.
We can do it, really.
1 month?
If that's what God demands, let us keep in.
Okay, 1 month then. 1 month without food.
The reason I came is because I do not want to surprise you.
Surprise me? What do you mean?
Good. As it is right now, I want you to take another wife.
What?
Wife! You see what? Wife. W-I-F-E, wife. That's what. Wunye, a woman that will give me children. A woman that will give me grandchildren, not a seedless mamcanel. A woman that is not a furniture in our own house. That is what I want. You're asking me what? Are you okay?
Mama?
Papa?
Is that why you came?
Of course! So that when I bring her in, you will not look like a mumu. You will know the reason why she's here. And I wouldn't waste time. Take another 5 years or 10 years, like people living in this your house. I've told you. So the next time you will see me here, the next time you will see me in this house, the next time you will see me in this house, Bana, be ready. Ow! Barnabas! Barnabas! Here. Barnabas! Where is she? Where is she? Some
I don't know. I thought she was downstairs.
Hey, under this sun, see, is it not obvious that your wife is trying to dodge from this thing?
I don't think so. We got ready together.
Really?
Yes.
So tell her that I'm waiting for her. And nothing will stop her from following me to the village. Because I have come from the village particularly because of her. Go and tell her.
Mama, but maybe she's trying to apply makeup or something.
Barnabas, don't get me angry. Go and call your wife. Now!
Mama, take it easy now. It hasn't got into this now. Huh?
Yeah! 10 solid years! 10 years without no child! Childlessness! Now you want to dodge. You are climbing from one stair to another. You are rubbing pancake and rubbing makeup. You are keeping me under the sun. Hey, I say, will not work. This one will not work. You will follow me to the village, whether you like it or not. Hey! I think I better start looking for another wife, another woman that will come into this house and begin to give them to me. And begin to give them to me one by one. Anofia. Barnabas!
Sorry. I can't do this.
Babe, we have to go. Mama is waiting downstairs. If we do not go, Mama is going to get upset.
Of course. You will consider your mother's feelings and not mine.
You know that's not true. You're always in my heart. I look out for you. We're in this together. You're doing this for me, and I'm doing this for you. Please, babe. We have to go.
I'm not going anywhere.
Babe. Please. I understand how you feel, okay? But doing this... Babe. I don't feel good about this as well. But we have to go. Alright? Like I said, we're in this together. And we have to satisfy their curiosity.
I don't feel good about it. I'm not going away.
I don't feel good about this either, but we have to go.
One of us.
A terrible situation. My mother tormented Phil. Dealt with her mercilessly. Phil is such a strong woman. I never thought in my entire existence that she would survive it.
You're right. Phil is a very strong woman.
She messed her up. Said all sorts of things to her. And that is why I'm so upset. I'm so angry.
Bana, say no more. I'm aware of everything. I know everything that happened. I know how she suffered in the hands of your mother.
I guess I am expected to leave everything to God. But I am so upset. I'm so disappointed.
Bana, it's okay. God will bless you again. Just have faith.
Yeah, have faith. So let's go.
This is the water.
Ballerina. Oh, yeah.
Papa, how did it go? Where is my mother?
Your brother has refused to bail them.
Oh. So Brother Barnabas refused to bail them after everything?
Yes. Do you have anything? I'm hungry.
Papa, no food in the house though.
Don't worry, I will give you money so you can go and buy food stuff, okay?
Okay. I will cook, but Papa, do you think what Brother Barnabas is doing is right?
Barnabas. Leave Barnabas who thinks himself a mini-god. Happier. Okwifro. Abacho also, I go mile.
Are you done with the water?
I'm not done, leave it first.
Okay.
Akufechara or Darawa?
Go inside, Papa.
No problem.
Change.
No problem. What's the bother? Akufechara or Darawa?
Stop that, please. Move it down.
Open the gate.
Godson should not open the gate for you. Wait here.
What do you mean?
Fred, I'm coming. So I should give you your bags. Go home.
What is the meaning of this?
What sort of stupid question is that? What kind of question is that? You're asking me what is the meaning of this?
Yes! I asked you what will happen.
You're asking me what is the meaning of this?
Yes!
Are you not the one that caused it?
You are the cause!
You are the cause!
You are the
one that caused it! You caused it! Bring the chair, let me feed him! You said no! You caused it! You're asking me!
You didn't drag Junior from me. This wouldn't have happened.
Who dragged Junior from you? Who dragged Junior from you? You threw Junior away! You threw Junior away because you had an intention! You wanted to kill my grandchild!
You are a wicked woman!
Witch!
You are a wicked woman!
You are a witch!
You are a wicked
witch! I'm not fear! Why are you asking that kind of question?
Give me my bag! Give me my bag!
Witch! I'm not fear! Witch!
Wicked
witch!
If you try me,
If you stretch out your hand again! If you stretch out your hand again!
Try it! Let me slap you now!
Try and slap me! Try and slap me!
I'll just beat you here, Woto.
You couldn't beat me that day. You want to beat me today?
Get out of my face!
You leave! Leave
Get
here!
out!
Leave here! You don't want to go!
out!
You don't want to go!
Evil woman!
You have killed the child now! You don't want to go!
Evil woman! You are a wicked
woman! You are a witch!
You caused it!
If you point that hand at me again! If you point it again! If you point out your hand at me again!
What will happen?
What will happen?
Yes!
Try and point it!
What will happen?
If you point out your hand at me again!
Remove your hand!
You see? What did you do?
I said... Leave me alone.
Leave it away!
Drop me down!
Wow!
I said drop me down. If my leg reach ground, you can't do anything. You will not like what I will do. Mama, won't you go behind? You can't do anything.
When confusion comes, it looks like it's the end of life. It should be a thing of joy, something that will make everybody to be happy. But why all these things now? Why all this confusion? Gini kana zo, abu gini kana zo live, oh gini kana zo, oh gini kana zo.
I'm fine.
It should be a thing of joy and not some sort of confusion. It should be a thing of joy and not something to fight over. Don't give the devil opportunity to come and do you overtime.
What I've been hearing about stories, so now tell me what really happened.
My name is Devil.
What devil?
I was carrying Junior all alone. I now noticed Junior was hungry. So I kept him on the kitchen and I went into the kitchen to prepare food for him. When I came out, I saw Mama Philomena carrying Junior. And I said, okay, fine. Give me the baby, let me feed the baby since he is hungry and he's crying. She refused.
What was her reason?
I don't know. As I was even talking to her, she turned and she was about walking away. And then I held her, we started dragging each other. All of a sudden, the child fell on the ground.
Hey, she killed Junior. Yes. She killed him.
My question is, were you people quarreling before then?
Like, you know how she behaves. She did not speak to me friendly.
Mama, was Brother Bambas aware of how it happened?
Did you know your brother? You know how he behaves.
Barnabas disappointed me in the city. He treated his in-law and I as if we are nobody.
That one is even small. When we came back from the police station, he specifically instructed his security man not to allow us into his house. Yes. He left our things to the security man. It was kept in the security house.
This is not true, Mother.
Do you know that?
I waited for some time. When I gained some strength, I took my bag and here I am in the village.
Do you know that he nearly pushed us out? If not for the people that came to visit him.
Are you sure the shock didn't affect him too?
I don't care. That is not to say he's not going to affect him because he is the father of the child. But for Bana to arrest me is something else. Do you know what it is to arrest your own mother?
That is it.
A child that I carried in my stomach for 9 months. A child that I gave back to. Arrested me. Kept me in cell.
Mother, it's okay. Maybe he's still in shock of what
happened. In shock of Guinea. No, they are Nazi. Guinea.
That place I was filled with very, very strong women. As we entered, they started blowing. They started blowing. They started blowing me. Yeah.
Did they blow you?
What kind of question is that? At times you just open your mouth and you begin to vomit rubbish. Did they blow? No, they didn't blow me. They were pampering. They were rubbing me makeup on my face. They were making me up.
Your mouth.
She started giving me attitude from the day my son-in-law bought shawarma for me. The shawarma I called my son-in-law on phone to buy for me. And he bought it when he was coming back. I stupidly took the shawarma to her so that we can take it together. And she said she doesn't like it. From that day, she started giving everybody attitude.
Shawarma and Kitty.
Hey. If not that her heart is not pure, what stopped her from giving me the food to feed Junior instead of dragging Junior from me?
Mama, I know too well that woman killed her grandchild. Yes!
Oh, the ancestors are wise. No, are you gone? So, because of what you have just narrated here or tried to explain all these stories you've been telling us, because of that, both of you killed your grandchild. You people killed Junior. You killed an innocent soul because of shawarma. After 11 years of suffering, traveling, toiling, going around the world looking for a child. Because of shawarma. Can you see it? If you get to say no, have you seen how you people kill yourselves? With the chemical, with modern life, so-called digital world and computer world. Have you seen it? Can you not see? Think about the olden days when I married you. Think about when you were a little girl. Because of shawarma, you have killed Junior. In shawarma. Chemicals in those just deceive you. And you keep eating rubbish. Forgetting the natural food. What are you are dragging shawarma? Oh.
I know you blame it on me. Since I moved into your life, you've not sided me for once.
Why would I support you? I don't side a liar. How will I support you when you're not saying the truth? Why?
Papa, Biko, stop the blame already.
Listen. You are returning and you have at the back of your mind that when you arrive here, we will clap for you. We will clap for both of you for killing your grandchild. Is that what you're thinking? And you, don't tell me to stop blaming. Don't just say it anymore. Because both of them are grown up, they are adult. They are supposed to know what is right and what is wrong. They should know when to do what is right and how to do what is right.
I'm not expecting less of what you are vomiting. Even before I start the story, I am prepared because I know the outcome of it.
Why won't you be prepared? I ask you again, were you expecting that as soon as you arrive and narrate your story, I will begin to clap for you for killing Junior? Is that what you were expecting? Huh?
You can say whatever you want to say. You can blame it on me. You can talk whatever you want to talk. But what I will not take from you is you using it against me.
And I will use it against you.
I will take that.
Papa, you are too fast.
Look
at.
Get out of my sight, I said.
When confusion
comes,
it looks like it's
Get out.
Let me give it to Mama. It should be a thing of joy, something that will make everybody to be happy. But why?
Yes, I told you. I swear, I told you. We just left there. Let's say like 30 minutes time. Okay. I love you.
Was that your husband on the phone?
Yes. I don't know what to do for that man. He doesn't appreciate anything I do for him as his wife. He doesn't talk to me. The only time he smiles at me is when he wants to have sex.
Does it still hit you?
Yes, it does. It might hit me tonight when I get home.
Wait, he's going to hit you because you went to see your friend, my wife.
Yes. But I pray he doesn't.
Is something wrong with him?
Honestly, I don't know.
This is crazy.
Where are you coming back from? Will you just speak the truth once in your lifetime? Will you just tell me that rehab is where you're coming back from?
Okay, let me call Barnabas so you can ask him yourself.
Barnabas Mwogi there! Barnabas Mwogi! What difference does it make?
No, since you think I'm lying, let me call him so you can talk to him yourself.
You're lying? Lying? You see, what baffles me the most is that there is no single atom of a married woman in you. Everything about you is street. Your lifestyle is street. Your dressing is street. Attitude street. Behavior street. You're just all about street. How did I lose it? How did I lose it?
Beg your pardon.
Don't beg my pardon! If I'm talking, you're talking. You left this house to an unknown destination and I'm asking you and you're telling me rubbish!
Robert, please, I've not eaten since morning. I'm ready.
Mama, I'll stop you!
Stop beating me! Stop beating me! What have I done to you?
What is wrong with you? Huh? Are you a wife? What do you think you are? Hey, who are you?
What have I done to you?
Come here, come here. Where are you running to? Come here. Don't. Come here. Don't move. Please sit down.
I told you. I told you he was going to beat me. I told you. You need to see what he did to me until I ran away. The moment I heard his voice, I knew he was going to beat me when I get back.
So your husband beat you up because you went to see your friend? Does that make sense? Wait, so what are you still doing in the marriage? You want to die before you leave? Huh? Things are getting out of hand. You know that? It's going to get worse if you don't stop it now. You need to leave. I need to take you home.
No, that won't be necessary, please. It will attract another pity.
What do you mean it won't be necessary? I need to take you home. I want to take you home myself. I need to speak to your husband.
Anna, please. I don't want him to hit me again, please.
Are you serious? I need to talk some sense into your husband. Do you understand? You have to go with me.
Anna, try and understand me. If you go home with me, my husband will beat me again. Please, I beg you.
Wait, does he do alcohol?
Yes.
He does alcohol?
Yes.
Then I need to talk to him.
Okay, maybe some other time, but not today. Please.
Are you sure?
I'm sure. Please.
Alright, listen, here's some money. Alright? If he tries to starve you again, at least you have some money to take care of yourself.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you, I appreciate this. Thank you.
Are you sure you don't want me to talk to him?
I'm sure, please. Please, I beg you, I'm sure.
Alright.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. Kindly call my gate man for me. When you get downstairs, just call him.
What sort of man is this? It's a beast and a monster all in one. It's the monster. Hey, it's a beast and a monster put together. Yeah, it's a beast and a monster all in one. That's what it is. Yeah, it's a beast and a monster put together. Yeah, that's what I'm asking. What kind of man is that? What kind of man is that? That's what I'm asking. What kind of man is that? What kind of man is that? What kind of man is this? He got no respect for a lady.
Hello? Good morning, sir. Please, I did not see my car when I came in. Are you? You're not picking? My God.
There is nothing you will tell me to stop me from selling that car. I will sell that car. I own that car. I own you. I own everything about you.
You lie. You don't own me. Yes, you are my husband, but you do not own my life. That car was given to me as my wedding gift. So you have no right whatsoever to sell it.
Our wedding gift. Both of us. And listen, the day I will sell that car is fast approaching. Very soon, I'll sell it off. Very soon.
That day, I will get you arrested.
You will do what?
Get you arrested.
Okay. Arrested? Okay, no, wait. Don't worry. On that day, we will know who is marrying who in this house and who is arresting who in this house. No problem. I don't know why you are so obsessed with that car. I must sell that car.
Let's not be what I'm thinking, oh. Let's not be what I'm thinking, oh, because
What's the meaning of that?
where is my car?
Why are you asking me? Is something wrong with you? Do you want to remind me of what happened yesterday? Look, listen to me. I don't know where you're coming back from, but I advise you to respect yourself and stay away from me.
Robert, come back. You cannot just walk out on me.
Are you stupid? Is something wrong with you? Don't touch me again. Nonsense. And if you must know, your car developed fault and the mechanic said it's going to take 2 weeks for him to fix it.
For a woman, he's just living a wayward life. This man got no atom of gentility. He don't deserve a decent woman. What sort of man is this? It's a beast and a monster all in one. It's the monster. Yeah, It's a beast and a monster put together. It's a beast and a monster.
Hello, Rita. How are you doing? What about Sister Philomena? Is she getting better at all? Has she started eating? What about noticing people? Okay. Mama is here. Okay. Mama, Rita wants to talk to you.
Hello, Rita. Kedu ka ị mere? Okay. Can she talk? What is the doctor saying? Okay. Okay, your father is fine. Please, when you people return, call us, okay? Please take care of your sister for me, please.
Here we go. Until you bring back my car. Where's my car? It's been 16 days and you told me that the mechanic says it's 14 days. Where's my car? Just let me know if you have sold it.
I did not sell the car.
You did not sell my car? Then where's my car now? Where's my car?
I told you the car is in the mechanic.
Mechanic where? Where is the mechanic workshop? Show me!
If I take you there and you see the car, what will you do?
I will not do anything. I just want to see the car with my 2 eyes. Let me see my car. What is it?
Why are you so crazy about this car? What is wrong with you? Huh? I'm tired of saying one thing. Just leave me. Let me go.
Give me my car. Give me my car. If you have sold my car, tell me. Give me my car.
Kelly, the devil is hovering around you. The devil wants to use this car to implicate you. To leave me and fast handing.
I'm not leaving you. Where's my car? Where's my car?
Please don't hesitate to call us as soon as you get to the city, okay?
And one more thing. If there is no improvement, if there's no improvement, call us. Just let us know so that we think about alternative. And we'll know the next step.
Alright, Papa.
Thank you.
Papa, before I forget, did you give me the money again?
Oh, hey! Anything that has to do with money, and I don't care. This is 3,000, and just add it to what you have already.
Thank you, Papa.
For transport. And be careful.
Thank you. Yes, I will.
It's okay.
See, ask Rita what your father just said now. But don't ask Barnabas because he will not tell you the truth.
Okay, Mama.
Okay.
Oh, thank you, Papa.
It's okay.
Mama, once I get to the city, I'll call you both. Please take care of Papa.
It's okay. Thank you very much. Bye.
Alright, I'm going to miss you.
It's okay.
Alright.
Johnny,
Bye.
Be careful.
Wait.
Thank
you, Mama. Thank you.
Be careful, huh?
Bye.
Take care of yourself.
Alright, Mama.
Oh, Junior is a fine boy. Oh. You're ready? Are you hungry? Oh, my baby's hungry. Wait. Stay here. I'll get you food. I'll get you food. I'll get you food, little baby. Don't cry. Oh, Junior is a fine boy. Oh, look. I'll give you full little man. Don't cry. Don't cry. More. What are you doing? Don't come here, my baby. Let me go. I just see my baby. You just see my baby. Stand away. Let me go. Sorry, baby. Sorry, okay? Let's go to it's like a big giant milk. You eat it, you become a giant baby. Open your mouth. Open, it's good for you. It's good for you. It's a lot of milk. Okay, sorry. Let me shout.
It's a fine boy. Swallow it. Swallow it, boy. Good boy. Oh. Finish. Open your mouth. Good. Don't disturb me. I will not let you. I will not let you.
Very soon, the whole family will go there and live with them.
That's their business. Can't treat her take care of her sister. I beg. If they like, let their father and their mother join them up there. That's their concern.
Mama? Is that what you can say?
What do you want me to say? What do you want me to say? That they should not go? When banana money finishes, they will all join me in this village. They will come back here.
Mama, do you both see? Prevention is better than cure. Let's pursue these black goats in the day, because when it gets dark, it will be difficult to find.
Ndidi, ndị Igbo si, onye chi na-azọ onwe ya. But you see this your brother? Adi azọ onwe ya. That's why things are going up and down for him.
But sometimes I think Brother Barnabas is weakling.
Yeah. Ndidi, are you the one saying this? So you do not know that your brother is a weakling? You see me?
Sure. Okay. Or should we go to the city?
What did you say?
We can go to the city.
My brother, will you keep quiet before I slap you against that wall? Go to the city to go and do what? So that they can't put me in cell again.
Me, I want to go to the city. I've not been to the city before.
Good. You cannot go. They will take you to that cell. You see those people there, you will not believe your eyes. You can go. They will keep you there like they kept me in cell. They will just rape you and kill you there. You see those huge boys in that place. I was praying to God. I said, God, let the day break fast so that I jump out of this place.
Why are you wishing me bad thing? I'm your daughter.
No, you said you want to go and enjoy.
My brother's house.
See road. You can go. Even God get.
You need to stop this! Don't let them steal my baby now! You're one of them! You are one of them! You're squeezing my baby! Close that gate! Close the gate! Aaron, lock the gate! You're not please trying to steal my baby! Nobody steal your baby! Nobody steal your baby! Hey! Stop! Mother! Leave my baby alone! Leave my baby! No! Don't let them see my baby! Busy my baby! You're square! Okay. Let's take her inside.
Hold the legs.
You said the car developed fault. That was why you took it to the mechanic. And the mechanic said it's going to take 2 weeks for my car to be ready. And then I told him to take me to the mechanic workshop. He refused. 16 days later, I asked him about my car. Guess what? I got the beating of my life.
Was that what happened?
Yes. That was exactly what happened. I think he has sold my car. That was why he robbed the police.
But what would the police do about this?
The police can actually intervene. That is, if he didn't sell the car.
Well, she just said he sold the car.
It's possible he didn't sell it.
he has sold my car. If not, he would have taken me to the mechanic workshop. Bana, I have to go now. My husband's brother has been calling me.
Kelly, thank you so much for your swift response. I appreciate it.
You're welcome.
You're welcome. To your husband.
Thank you. And I'll call you to check on her later. Alright. Be good.
Very much.
You need to quickly make something for your sister to eat. When she wakes up, she might get hungry.
Alright. And let me go and know what to prepare for her.
Hey, I'm so sorry for keeping you waiting.
It's okay. How is she?
Well, she slept off after taking her medication. Ben, my friend, is in great mess.
So, she couldn't be treated after taking her to the rehab?
According to the husband, the doctor said that it's going to take time. It's going to take time for her to come back to her senses. So, let's go inside.
It's okay, we can actually stay here. I received a call from a policeman that my brother was arrested and detained. So I have to rush down to the police station. On getting there, I saw my brother. And he told me that you are the one that got him arrested.
Yes, Ben. I arrested your brother. And I had my reasons for not telling you.
What are your reasons, Kelly?
One, I didn't want to bother you. Two, I didn't want you to beg me not to arrest your brother. Three, I didn't want you to tell the police to grant him bail.
I understand your reason. But however it is, he is my brother and he will remain my brother. The policeman refused to grant him bail.
Yes, because he refused telling them the truth. You didn't ask him why?
I did. He said he didn't sell the car.
Then where is my car? You told me, where is the car? He said he took it to the mechanic. I asked him to take me to the mechanic workshop. He refused. Even the police asked him to take them to the mechanic workshop. He refused. So where is the fucking car?
My brother said he didn't sell your car. However, the most important thing is, how do we resolve this matter? It's getting out of hand. I don't know, I don't understand. How do we resolve this?
The only way to resolve this issue is for you to tell your brother to bring back my car. Ben, I'm sorry. I had to do what I had to do.
Kelly, please, for my sake, let's bring this matter home. Police station is not the best place to solve this. Let's bring it home here, please.
I am not saying you shouldn't bring the issue home. I'm not saying that. What I'm saying is, I need my car. Listen, if this matter leaves the police station, your brother will never give me back my car. I know him.
Please, it's his car, not your car. He is the head of this family. Okay? Kelly, trust me, I will handle this and I will bring back the car.
This is why I didn't want you to get involved.
He got no regard for a woman. He's just living a wayward life. This man got no atom of gentility. He don't deserve a decent woman.
Did you sell the car?
No. So, where is the car now?
The mechanics. But don't tell the police.
Don't tell them. Why?
Because I intend to sell the car. I must sell that car.
So go. You're not going to sell that car. I will meet with your wife right now and I will tell her to ask the police to grant you. Okay?
So that girl gave the police money to lock me up. To lock me up, man of the house. Let's bring this man.
It's a beast and the monster all in one. It's the monster. Yeah.
Kelly, your car is intact. That is why I say let us bring the matter home.
Ben, you know I cannot hold you responsible if anything happens afterwards. That is why I'm avoiding it.
That is why I say trust me.
It's a beast and the monster put together.
Yes.
Yeah, that's what I'm asking.
Rita, what's the meaning of this?
Kiri, sister, this is what you'll be seeing.
Sister, it's me. It's me, Kiri. Look at this me. Sister,
how is Papa and Mama?
They are all fine. They sent their regards. What did the doctor say?
The doctor said she will be recovering gradually.
Okay. Is there any improvement since you guys came back, sister?
Yes.
So,
sister, please now.
Rachel, you call this an improvement?
Yes. At least she's eating now. Like the first time we came back.
Like this, she's eating. Sister, because stop, please.
Come on, she didn't drink. Come on.
Oh, Nkiru. Hello? Nkiru, how are you? Okay, you're there now. How are they? How is your sister, Philomena, my daughter? How is she doing? Can you give her a phone? Let me talk to her. Okay. Maybe later in the day. Oh, your father, he's inside. Okay.
When confusion comes, it looks like it's the end of life. It should be a thing of joy, something that will make everybody to be happy. But why all these things now? And why all these things? Can it kind of so? Oh, can it kind of so different? Oh, can it kind of so? Oh, can it kind of so different? It should be a thing of joy. And there's some sort of confusion. Enough joy. It's not something to fight over. Don't give the devil opportunity to come and do.
Ben,
Okay.
where is my car?
Your car is coming.
Ben, where is my car?
Let's go inside. You will see your car before the end of today. Okay? Let me go inside and talk.
I know what I'm saying, oh. I know what I'm saying.
Kelly, come inside, please. Come inside.
Temptation comes, it looks like it's the end of the world. When confusion comes, it looks like it's the end of life. It should be a thing of joy, something that will make everybody to be happy. But why all these things now? And why all this confusion? Can it kind of so?
Junior!
Oh, give me kind of so.
Junior!
Oh, give me kind of so different. It should be a thing of
Junior!
joy and not some sort of confusion. Junior! It should be a thing of joy and not something to fight over.
Chica,
Rita! Rita! Yes! Please come fast!
Gently down the street.
Junior!
Sister, what have you done? Let's carry on. Sister, stand up, please. Stand up. Your turn, sister. Fine, sister.
No! Go back!
Go and call Junior.
Don't let him fall!
Sister.
Don't let my son fall!
He will not fall, sister.
No!
He will not fall. Sister, let's go inside. He will not fall.
Rita!
Sister, let's go inside. Let's go inside. Sister, please, let's go up.
Junior, go and catch him!
Junior is up. Junior is waiting for you. Come and breastfeed Junior, please. He said you should come.
Junior not falling down?
No, he can never fall down, please.
Popo!
You cannot stay here. People is smelling it. I'll bring your tongue. I'll bring your tongue. Let's go inside.
You bring Junior to me.
Okay. Yes,
I'll
yes.
bring Junior.
Yes. He's there waiting for you.
Roll your boat gently down the stream. May, like a bubble tree. Roll your boat gently down the stream.
Papa!
Hey, come on.
She called your name.
Yes, but she urinated and defecated on herself. But at least I'm happy that she recognized me today.
She defecated on herself?
But brother, for her to recognize me, that means she's recovering, just like what the doctor said.
She's never defecated on herself before.
Yes, that never happened before. Same, she recognized Rita today.
And she did not eat dinner.
Chai, what were we thinking? Chim. Ekwensu dike o. I should have neglected her. I should have left her alone. Yeah. Oh, wa.
Oh my God! Hi. Wait, is this sister that we just saw?
Yes!
Hi. God, I thank you for my sister's quick recovery.
Oh my God, look at how she was walking majestically like someone who is sane.
You can't say that again. This sister. No, let me show you. This sister. This is the way she was walking. Did you see her? Yes, sir. She's even giving step.
Look at how she's walking like someone insane.
So finally, sister is okay.
Yes. Oh my God. I can't wait for my sister Philomena to get back to her senses.
What are you saying? She's back to her senses. And this healing shall be permanent in Jesus' name.
Amen.
Mama needs to hear this. Mama needs to hear. Look at the way she was looking. Just, as in, Mama needs to hear this. Mama needs to hear this.
proud of you. So should we. Yeah, but that's how it comes. It comes with a lot of sugar. There's actually the spice, the icing cake. What? What are you doing? You need to use the wait, you need to use the spoon. We need to go home.
We greeted you downstairs, but you didn't answer us. What happened to you like this? Brother, please talk to me. What happened to you like this?
I took your sister out.
Okay.
I wanted her to have a nice time. And she embarrassed me. She embarrassed us outside. She embarrassed me in public. Look at my body. She poured ice cream all over me. Why?
I'm so sorry about this. I'm so sorry. Oh, God have mercy. But I'm sorry.
Today she's fine. Tomorrow she becomes a different person altogether. She's okay this minute. The next minute she becomes a monster. Your sister emptied a bowl of ice cream on me. In fact, 2 bowls.
Brother, sorry for everything, but you just need to clean yourself up. Please.
Just help me turn on the Where you going?
Junior.
What?
He's downstairs. I left him there.
Come, babe, wait.
Mother will forget her
Babe,
like this.
Babe. Wait.
What is this?
Wait, what is it? Where are you going?
Junior is downstairs.
Babe, listen to me.
My son! I forgot my son! Let me come bring him. Then we will sleep on the bed.
Babe. Look at me.
What is it?
Junior's no more.
Just because I forgot him. Listen. Junior is downstairs. Carry him.
My love.
Carry him.
My love.
Sing it to him.
Babe.
Dance it for him.
Babe.
Play with him.
Babe.
But I now forgot him. Kept him in the chair. It's great.
Babe, look at me.
Where's my screen?
Babe, stop doing this. Stop.
Leave my hand. Let me go and carry my child.
Babe, please.
Junior!
Babe, listen to me. Babe, look at me.
He's crying harder.
Babe.
His throat must be paining in my hand.
Babe.
Look at my son! I'm sorry. I'm sorry. You try to hide my son! Damn He's sleeping.
You need to get up.
Gina's eating.
Get up.
My boy is eating.
Give me a hand. Get up.
Allow my boy to eat.
Get up.
Get up. Okay,
Get
but
up.
let my boy finish eating.
I need to take you upstairs now.
Let my boy eat.
Come here. Give me a hand. Babe, stop it.
Let us alone.
Alright, let's go. Philomena. Phil, you need to stop!
Give me a hand. Take her up. Carry her. Take her up.
My son is eating! My son is eating! Don't step on my son's gun! Don't step on my son's gun! No! No! Let my son go! Let my son go!
Auntie, good afternoon. Auntie, good afternoon.
Didi. You came?
Yes, Auntie, I came. How are you doing? Auntie, how are you doing?
Didi, don't worry, sit down. Okay, you respond to you later. Just sit. Yeah. For her to call your name should tell you that there is improvement. Yes, serious improvement. What did she start calling my name? But not all the time. And after now, she may not remember your name again.
What kind of sickness is that?
Semi-madness. You're mad. You're mad. All of you are mad.
Sorry,
You're mad. You are mad.
Your slippers, sister. Sister. You're mad. Now, so what they do for you?
It's well.
Yeah.
For what I just saw, is the development.
Yeah.
God is great.
Amen.
So tell me, how's your husband? Have you guys made up? Has he returned the car?
No, he hasn't. I called the IPO in charge of the case. He said I should call him tomorrow.
Okay.
I also called his brother that signed a shorty. He said he's going to call him and get back to me.
Alright. Like I said, if you can't beat them, you join them. And if you can't join them, you leave them alone.
To tell you the truth, I am ready to leave Robert alone. But I need to get my car first.
That's true. Well, I'll advise you be fast about it and be careful.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Why were you ignoring my calls?
Why were you calling and sending me those stupid messages? Like you don't know where I went to.
So the calls and the text messages I sent to you are stupid. That was why you ignored them all.
Why were you sending me those stupid messages? Am I your wife or your maid?
None of them. Kelly, now listen to me. From today, do not see yourself as my wife anymore. Because I'm completely fed up of your infidelities.
No, you think I don't know you're fed up? It's so clear. The handwriting is written on the wall. You are fed up. But let me shock you. I am also fed up. The only thing that is keeping me in this so-called marriage is my car. The moment I get my car, I'm out of your life for good.
Just listen to yourself. Homeless child like you.
I am not homeless. One with God is majority.
And very soon, you will go and live without your God.
Take a very good look at yourself. Then take a very good look at me. Do I look like a tout to you? No, tell me! Do I look like a tout to you? You think I don't have son name? Is that what you think? In case you have forgotten, let me remind you. I am a certified nurse. Yes! I got a job the moment we got married, but what did you do? You stopped me because of your stupid and selfish reason. If I leave this marriage today, I will never go hungry. The only thing, like I said, that is keeping me in this house is my car. The moment I get my car, I'm out of your life for good.
Oh, you're just a dreamer. You're just a big fantasy dreamer if you ever think I'm going to return that car to you. That car has been sold. That car was a gift to us on our wedding day. It is our wedding. I am the head of this house. It means that that car belongs to me. And it has been sold.
Robert, read my lips. By tomorrow, if I don't get that car, I will show you that the gentle stride of a lioness is not a symbol of cowardice.
There is no lioness in you. You are nothing but a backing dog, sleeping up and down with sugar boys calling you sugar mommy. Just look at you. You are a disgrace to me. You can't even get pregnant. You are barren.
Did you give me a child and I refuse to carry? No, did you give me a child and I refuse to carry? Look at who is talking. Impotent man. I give you till tomorrow.
What did I hear you say? Who is impotent? Eh? Who is impotent? Are you stupid? Who is impotent? Who is impotent? I'll kill you. I will kill you, Jesus. I'll kill you. Who is impotent? Come on. Robert, leave me alone. Robert, leave me alone. Leave me alone.
If you want me to leave your useless house, give me my car first.
You are failed to realize that
I am not going anywhere to give me my car.
This is your bag. You are leaving this house empty-handed.
I am not. I am not going anywhere. If you want me to leave this house, give me my car.
Kelly, you are leaving this house this moment.
Give me my car.
I don't want to commit murder. I don't want to kill you in this house.
I am not leaving this house until you give me my car.
Respect yourself. Take your bag and get into this place.
I am not leaving until you give me my car. Where is my car? Where is my car?
Your car has been sold. I said,
what kind of man these days? He got no respect for a lady. I'm asking, what kind of man these days? He got no regard for a woman. He's just living a wayward life. This man got no atom of gentility. He don't deserve a decent woman. What sort of man is this? It's a beast and a monster all in one. It's the monster, yeah. It's a beast days. He got no respect for a lady. I'm asking what kind of man these days. He got no regard for a woman. He's just living a wayward life. This man got no atom of
Listen, it's risky. You get yourself in harm's way. Let me help you. Where are you going to, please? What's the problem?
I have a problem with my husband.
Oh, really? Hold on. Please, hold it. Please, I beg of you. Let me help you. Look, naturally, I'm not meant to do this. It's risky. But I'm willing to take the risk for your sake, okay? Listen, the area boys are everywhere. I wouldn't want you to get in this way, please. Let me help you. Let me just take you to somewhere safe. Where you'll be safe. Okay? Let me let's go to my car. Let's take this, okay? Let's take this.
Mama, get up. Please get up. Stop this. What are you doing? Get up, please. Papa, why are they kneeling? Why are you kneeling before me? I am not God. Come on. Besides, do you want the gods to strike me down? Come on. Besides, I'm not God. You don't kneel before me.
Please forgive us. I beg you. It is not our intention. No grandmother wants to kill her grandchild because it's a mistake. I beg you. Find a place in your heart to forgive us because I beg you. Find a place in your heart to forgive us.
I know it is very painful, but please, find a place in your heart and forgive us, please.
We are sorry, please. We are sorry. We are sorry. I beg you.
No, my son. Emana, ndị Igbo kwuru okwu sị na ebe mmehie na-adịghị mgbaghara adịkwaghị. Where there is no sin, there won't be forgiveness. Please, my son, find a place in your heart and forgive them. Please.
I beg you.
That is true.
That is very true. Please. To err is human, to forgive is divine. For God's sake, for the sake of future, please. It is not easy, but a man is equal to whatever that comes to him at any point in time. Please, do forgive. You have seen it.
Have I not endured enough? Bana, give me grandchildren.
Mama, a grandchild will come when the time is right. God's time is always the best.
That's exactly what I don't want to hear. Because I have been hearing this word for a very long time. I don't want to hear it anymore. What is it?
Mama, I don't understand what you're talking about.
If your wife is barren, let me get another girl here to give you children, to give me grandchildren.
Mama, what statement is that? What do you mean by that? My wife is not barren. Please.
Then give me grandchildren. Because this is the last time I am going to say anything about this story again. This is the last time I will talk to you about this.
Mama, exercise some more patience. Grandchildren will come when the time is right. God's time is always the best.
Because my name is not Patience. My name is not Patience. Akwaya? Don't give me grandchildren. Don't give me grandchildren. You will see what I will do to you. I need grandchildren, not Patience. If you want to look for Patience, go and look for Patience that way. What I'm looking for is grandchildren. Is it wrong for me to ask for grandchildren? I need grandchildren. I'm not getting any younger. Okay, Nizzy?
I keep asking you what the problem is.
You have said there is nothing wrong with you and your wife. So what is holding both of you for having children?
Mama, this question is very heavy for me to answer. But if I must answer it, my answer would be, I'm not God. My wife is not God. So we're waiting on God's time.
God's time, you said?
Yes, God's time.
So how long will you wait for God's time? Aren't you tired of waiting?
Mama, as long as God is alive, we must wait. We're very patient about it. We're not in a hurry.
What do you mean?
Mama, God's time is the best. That's what I mean.
I can see you are not ready to bear children. But let me tell you, my daughter will not be a victim of circumstance.
Mama, come on now. Mama, you're taking this thing too far. There's nothing wrong with us. And your daughter is not going to become a victim of circumstance, or however you put it. God's time is always the best. And we are not in a hurry. Okay?
Time is going.
Mama, it's okay. Don't feel that way. Give yourself some peace of mind. Time is going, but everything is going to be fine. Please. Two of you made life unbearable for my wife and I. I began to doubt myself. You dealt with us. My wife lost hope. Who am I not to forgive you? I'm not God. At least if not for anything, I'll forgive you because my wife is pregnant again.
Hi! Oh God! Thanks be to the gods.
My son, congratulations.
Oh God!
Thank you, my son. Thank you, my son.
Oh God! Also, when I watch her, come sunshine.
My son. Chukwu Kabiyama, Adalahola.
My wife is 6 months pregnant.
This time. Yeah. I will go back.
Chukwu Okike Abịama. Ekene gị.
Finally. Finally.
At this point, we have to. Ogo. Chukwu Okike Abịama, we thank you. Gịnwa wetara, gịnwa werekwara. Anyị na-ekwu na-asị na nwa a bịara nụ ga-azụ nne, zụọ nna ha, zụkwa ụmụnne ya niile. Otu a ka anyị gọrọ n'aha Chukwu Okike Abịama.
Eze wakili. Netu mkele kwa baheri hapo hivi. Omenkafru.
Omenkafru na ya.
Hi. Honestly, I felt for him anyway. Yes, because I can imagine myself in his shoes. And, psychologically, emotionally.
My dear, he has forgiven us.
Yeah. Oh, thank God. I'm so happy.
I'm very happy.
The matter is over. Everything is now settled.
Settled.
To God be the glory.
Amen.
Mama, you can finally go and see Philomena.
Yes, by tomorrow. I will travel to the city with him. He will come here and pick me up.
That's nice. I'm so happy to get
this.
This world is a wonderful place. Ezoku of truth. It's a mupadrum. Enmity is not anything good in human life.
It's very bad.
No good.
May the humble, gentle soul of Junior and all the souls of the departed rest in the bosom of the Lord through Christ.
Amen.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. That's okay. Let's go arrange for a special for her. Like I did see any keta. Let's just eat very well.
Okay, Papa.
Yes.
Right. I'm coming with you.
After rain comes sunshine.
Okay, get it done, get it done. Go that way. Sorry. You're good.
Chimo!
Sorry, this minute is saying you to sit down, okay? Let's go. Sorry. Careful. Sorry, I'm sorry. Okay, just try. Just try to sit down, okay? Just try to sit down. You have to sit. Oh, wait. Your head. Sorry. Okay, just pull. Alright. Just. Okay, your leg. I'll get your leg. Okay, there you go.
They are still in the living room.
What? Everything okay?
Congratulations, Mr. Barnabas. Your wife has delivered a bouncy baby boy.
Oh Lord! Thank you, Lord. Can I see?
No. The nurse is there attending to her.
Oh, I'm so happy, thank God.
And guess what?
The baby looks like me.
No, far from that. Your wife has regained her sanity.
Jesus!
Yes, she has regained her sanity. She called my name and she asked me what I was doing here. And then I told her that my husband is the medical director of this hospital.
What did you say?
I said, Phil has regained her sanity.
You're serious about that?
I'm serious. Dead serious.
Alright, I'll just stand here.
Okay. That night, I was walking on the road without a destination. And then he drove past me and stopped. Then he took me to the UK.
Well, take it easy. Sit here. Sorry. Please, sit down. Make yourself comfortable. I noticed a sharp. Sorry. Please. Sorry. It's okay. Sorry. Hope you don't have pains on your tongue. Sorry. Please, I'm sorry. I'm feeling pains all over my body. It's okay. Sorry. So sorry. I want you to make yourself comfortable, okay? I want you to relax your nerves a little bit. Thank you. Thank you so much. You'll just be fine. I will go out later after you've had a shower to get you some painkillers to subside your pain. Meanwhile, let me see if I can. I am Dr. Lucky, the medical director of Phoenix Hospital. Julius Johnson was my father.
Was or is your father?
Was my father. Because he's late.
Jesus Christ. Dr. Johnson is late? I know that man. I was admitted in his hospital.
Yes, he died last month.
What happened? Was he sick or something?
He wasn't sick. He was involved in a drastic motor accident.
Oh my God.
I came back from UK for his burial. As a matter of fact, I'm not going back anymore. As a medical doctor, I am taking over the hospital instead of employing another medical doctor to take care of it for me.
You're right. That is what you should do.
Thank you.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. May you so rest in perfect peace.
Amen.
I'm sorry.
It's okay. About yesterday, you told me something. You said something about... Yeah, you were telling me about your husband.
Yes.
You made mention of... Are you married?
Yes, I was.
Was?
But not anymore.
Why? Why not anymore?
Your father's hospital I was admitted in was as a result of several beatings I received from my husband. Honestly, I never knew I would survive it.
What is wrong with the guy? Is he a beast?
Robert is more than a beast. I'm a nurse, a certified nurse. I graduated from Otulu Medical School. After we got married, I got a job. But my so-called husband stopped me from accepting that job because of his selfish reasons.
You don't say.
Do you know that during our wedding, my uncle gifted me a car? My so-called husband sold the car and gave me the beating of my life.
Oh my God.
He beats me in the morning, in the afternoon, at night, every time.
He turned you into a punching pad?
I'm telling you. Honestly, I am so glad I left that marriage. I went through a lot in the hands of Robert.
I can't imagine what you went through.
Where I did my training as a midwife. When I returned, we got married. That was how I started my new marriage life.
Ah, impressive. Thank you so much.
Thank you,
You're welcome. But why are you guys thanking me? What did I do?
Well, it's a long story. To think of what she has been through, you should be exalted. Yeah.
You can say that again. But truth be told, she's not just my wife. She's my backbone.
That's right.
She's my best friend.
That's right.
She's my companion. You see, when she moved in with me, I did a test run on her to see if she has some questionable characters. But I found none. So I wonder, what could make a man lay his hands on such a wonderful, sweet creature like herself?
It's quite unfortunate.
Sorry. That's broken. Sorry. Don't. Sorry. Doctor! Sorry. Nurse! Hey! Jesus. Doctor! Sorry. Nurse! Hey! Maybe it has broken. That's broken. Sorry. Doctor, please, someone help me! Sorry. Where? Waist? Eh? Oh, Cookie? Hey! Sorry, Doctor, please! Someone help me! Nurse! Sorry. Should I carry you? Sorry. Nurse! Please help me! Someone please help me! Nurse!
You will find okay. My hospital, you will find. Sorry.
It's alright.
Yeah, we thank God.
Madam.
What is it?
A pregnant woman was brought in just now and she is in pains.
Okay. Fear. I'm coming, please.
She has told me a lot of wonderful things about you both. I must confess. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Hope you don't mind, once she's discharged, we would want to come at least see you. Hope you don't mind.
You're welcome. You're always very welcome here.
Thank you very much.
Please, where's me? Where's me? What's wrong with her? What's wrong with your wife? Jesus! Lord of Jesus! What are you doing here?
She's the midwife.
Midwife? Huh? Jesus, please. This is my wife, please. Please forgive me. There's no time. Help me, please. She's dying and save my son. She's pregnant. Please help me to save her son, please. Don't! Jesus. Jesus, please. Don't touch her. Hey, no, please, Nico, please help my wife. Please, she's dying. There's no time, Nico. Please, I'm begging you. Please help my wife. Please help my wife. Please, I'm begging you. Lord, please. Please forgive me. Forgive me, please. There's no time. My wife is dying.
Thank you.
Yeah. You're welcome.
I'm so sorry, sir, but we need your attention.
That's serious?
Yes.
Okay. Please, have a look. Let's go.
Hey, how's it going? Sleeping. How's it going?
Forgive me, Lord. Please forgive me for this. Please help me. Forgive me. Please, I'm begging you. Please help me. What's going on? I said, what is going on here? And what's wrong with this woman? It's my wife, please. And why are you holding my wife? No, I'm sorry, sir. Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir. My name is Robert. My ex-wife. Please. So, no. This is my wife now. She's pregnant. Please help me. Really? Yes, sir. So you are my wife, ex-husband? Yeah, no, before. Sorry, sir. Please help me to save my wife, please. Sir, please, she's dying. There's no time. Please, God, help me. My son is dying. She has been bleeding. Sorry, sir. So, please, Jesus. Sorry, sir, please help me. Please, I'm begging you, please, sir. Sir, please, my wife, Biko. Hey, Jesus, Jesus, Biko, help me, Biko. Forgive. I know she must have done.
Kelly, you need to talk to me. What's wrong? Talk to us. What happened to the woman in pain? Is she alright? Kelly, you're not saying anything. Kelly, talk to us. Is she okay?
Our ex-husband came in with his wife.
What?
Yes, he did. He had a reception.
Oh. Okay.
Come on. She's dying. You need to save her life.
Send him away.
Please.
Tell him to take her out of this hospital.
That's our fellow woman. Please listen to your husband. Please.
Kelly, remember you once told me to forgive my mother and my mother-in-law. It's time for you to do the same.
I'm sorry, Mr. Barnabas. I cannot do the same. I cannot.
Kelly, please forgive and move on. Move on by attending to that lady. She doesn't have a hand in all that you went through. And just like my husband rightly said, if I can forgive my mother and mother-in-law, whose fault it was that my son died, why can't you forgive too? Forgive Robert and move on. Please.
Please. I have to go. Please. Kelly, I understand how you feel. But I want to believe that you're professional. You need to go out there and take care of your patient. Then you can sort out your differences with your ex much later. If not for anything, do it for God, please.
This man got no atom of gentility. He don't deserve